Welcome back, energy adventurers. Let's power up today's mission. Jash bounces into the glowing energy lab, excitement buzzing. He taps a drum, boom, and glowing ripples race across the floor. Cash adjusts his red glasses, tail wagging. Did you see that? That's energy moving. Jash grins. But how can we see sound? Cash nudges a guitar, strumming a string. The string vibrates, sending shimmering waves into the air. Sound is energy traveling as vibrations, Cash explains. Jash places his hand gently on the guitar, feeling the hum. So, when I play, I'm making energy move? Exactly, Cash replies. They set up a cymbal and sprinkle colorful powder on top. Jash strikes it. The powder leaps into patterns, sound waves made visible. Holographic diagrams bloom, showing waves spreading out in all directions. Loud sounds make bigger waves, quiet sounds make smaller ones, Cash says. Jash blows across glass bottles, each note sending a unique wave. Different pitches, different vibrations, Cash cheers. Jash's eyes widen as he realizes that every sound, every beat is energy moving through air and objects, creating music they can see, hear, and feel. Discovery rocks the lab. Hey, energy adventurers! It's time for today's challenge question. When Jash hit the cymbal, what made the powder jump into patterns? Type your answer in the comments below. Not sure? Better go back and see the sound again. Cash explained it all. Like what you saw? Smash that like button, subscribe, and ring the to follow Jash and Cash on their next science-powered mission.